Ha, 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 ha. Yes, guys. This is me, Shaggy, the one and only Shaggy from Shaggy Cooking Lifestyle. Yeah, we are here today. We are going to make some shrimp and saltfish flitters, Jamaican style. Shrimp and saltfish flitters. So guys, I'm going to jump into it because this is a little bit we're doing. It's not a lot, okay? So take note. I'm putting my water on the fire. Just a little water. Here is my saltfish, guys. Here's my saltfish. I'm going to break it in half. Just like that. And I'm going to drop it in the water. I was soaking it from morning. And here I have 5 shrimp. I have 5 shrimp. I already cleaned them. So I'm just going to boil this with the saltfish. I'm going to let that boil. I'm going to boil the salt out of the saltfish. So in the meantime, the salt is boiling out of the saltfish. The shrimp is collecting some of the salt, and then we're going to drain the water. Okay? Guys, I just put a little lime juice in there to kill that froth. So when it's boiling like that and it's coming up, you just put a little lime juice and it kill all that coming up, okay? Because that's the salt we're boiling the salt out of the saltfish. So I'm cutting up my so that is it for my onion. That's my onion. It's chopped very fine, very small. And my bell pepper cut very small as well. And I have scallion. I'm just going to chop up the scallion really small. So that is it, my people. So my scallion is right here. My scallion, my bell pepper, and my onion. Here's my garlic. This time, I'm going to crush my garlic. I'm not ready to crush it yet. I'm going to crush it when I'm going to make this. Okay? So right now, my shrimp and my saltfish is boiling. I'm boiling out the salt out of the saltfish, okay? I'm going to drain the water one more time. So I have fresh water. The more you drain the water, the less salt you contain in it. Okay? I like to boil my saltfish like 2 or 3 times to get that salt out. Here we go. So guys, this is my bowl right here, okay? This is my bowl, what I'm going to make my dough in with my... So first thing I'm going to add my scallion. Then I'm going to add my bell pepper. All the bell pepper I cut, I'm going to use it all. I'm going to use it all. And also I'm going to add some half of my onion. Okay? There we go, guys. Here, I'm going to crush my garlic. 2 pegs of garlic. I'm going to add some buttermilk. So I'm going to add some buttermilk. A little bit of buttermilk to this. And then I'm going to add some garlic powder. And I'm going to add a little total seasoning. I'm trying to use about half a teaspoon, but the hole is small, so I'm using half a teaspoon. And then I'm going to add a little of my Maggi special. Okay, that's about 1/4 teaspoon. I am mixing this up. And then I'm going to sit and wait on the saltfish. I'm going to sit and wait on the saltfish to get boiled. And then I'm going to mix the saltfish with this. Okay, guys? So stay tuned. Okay, guys, I'm pretty sure my saltfish is already boiled. So I'm going to wash it and cut it up right now. So guys, that's my saltfish and my shrimp. So I'm making flitters. So I just take this out of the shell. It's nice for you to put it under running water. For the saltfish, I'm going to wash it one more time to get the salt out of it, as much salt as ever. Okay, guys, so now I'm going to cut up my saltfish and my shrimp. I'm going to chop them up small chunks. I'm chopping them up small chunks. So guys, by that time the saltfish is easy to come apart like this. You can crush it with your hand if you want. Okay? You can crush it with your hand like that if you want. Okay? But the shrimp, for the shrimp, you have to cut it up. You have to cut it up in small chunks. Okay, guys, wash it first. Then cut the shrimp in small chunks. Okay? After making saltfish and shrimp fritters. Okay? Okay, so this is the saltfish and the shrimp together. That's it right there. Now I grab my bowl and I'm going to place my saltfish and my shrimp inside here. I'm putting all my saltfish and my shrimp into my mix-up where I have my bell pepper and all my ingredients already chopped up in here with a little buttermilk. And I'm going to mix this up just like that. I'm mixing it just like that. Okay, guys? In this, I'm going to add some fish seasoning, a little bit of fish seasoning. Remember, I already put some total seasoning and garlic powder, so I'm going to put some seasoning for the shrimp and the fish. Okay? That is for the shrimp and the fish, guys. Okay. And I'm mixing this up again. I'm going to add a little more buttermilk. Okay, guys. After all of this, now I'm adding my flour. My flour, guys. Two scoop of flour, 3 scoop of flour. Okay? And then I'm gonna mix this up and see if I need more flour. Okay? Okay, I still need more flour because the saltfish and the shrimp is more dominant than the flour. So I'm adding 2 more scoop of flour. That is it, guys. Okay, that is it. Now you have to put baking powder. So I'm putting some baking powder. You don't want to put too much baking powder because the flour already have baking powder in it. Okay, guys? Right. Then I'm gonna add water to this. I'm gonna add water. And then I'm gonna mix this together until I make my dough. I still need more water. I still need some more water. You gotta add water until the dough is really soft. You have to add water until this dough is really soft. Okay? Now this is mild and nice. Okay, guys? Okay, 1 scoop of cornmeal. And that's gonna be it. You don't have to add cornmeal, but I like cornmeal in my flour, okay? But you don't have to add cornmeal. You can make it however you want it. If you want just pure flour, or you want to make a little cornmeal in there. But when you add the cornmeal, you're gonna mix it until all of it saturated with the corn meal. But that's why I use the cornmeal last, so I have a little bit of cornmeal in it, not a lot. Okay, now this is ready. This is ready right now to start. So I'm gonna put, okay guys, so I'm just letting my oil get temp a little bit. And I'm going to get a dry spoon, a very dry spoon, I'm going to test it into the oil. If it's hot, it's not yet. Okay? So this is shrimp and saltfish flitters. This smelling so good. My kitchen smells really good. As soon as it starts to get brown, you flip it over. Okay, don't want one side to get too much cook and the other side don't get any. So you flip it over. Just like that. Just like that, guys, and let it cook. So guys, as soon as it gets as brown as this, when the other side got as brown as this, it's ready. Okay? So I'm giving it a couple more, just a couple more seconds, maybe a minute, and then I'm going to take it out. Because I don't want to get it over fried. Okay guys, so here you go. Here we go. This is number 1 flitters. That's number 2 flitters. I'm going to repeat the process, guys. Now the oil is hot, I can't trust it to just use the spoon because it's gonna get hard if I double the spoon. So now I'm just cleaning my oil, and then I'm gonna use this thing to make 1 scoop. On one side too long, you have to keep flipping it, okay? So it So guys, you see how this look brown and nice? That's how you want it to look. That's nice cocoa color brown. That's nice flavor. Okay? I have 1 more. This is it, guys. Then I'm going to add the last one. These gonna get done faster because these are more thinner. This is it for the fried flitters. I'm gonna open one and let you guys see what it is like inside. Give me 1 second, let me just. End product of my saltfish and shrimp flitters. The moment you're waiting for me to eat one of my flitters. Okay, so I'm gonna take it and I'm gonna open it right in front of you. Look on this. Guys, this thing, it tastes so good. Guys, this saltfish and shrimp combination, it's very good. Like, share, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend to come check out saltfish and shrimp fritters.